Extreme 300 Series performance grills from Cornell are designed to meet the challenges of daily, high-traffic operations that require airflow and visibility. This high-performance grill is guaranteed to perform to an exceptional 300,000 cycles while operating at a speed 3 times faster than standard coiling grills. Opening quickly at up to 24 inches per second and closing at 12 inches per second, our high-performance grill is designed to meet the challenges of high-cycle applications. And its open-air design provides continuous visibility and ventilation. Complement your building aesthetics by choosing between straight or brick pattern curtain designs. The 300 Series Performance Grill's springless design, continuous duty operator, and self-lubricating guides will maximize your facility's productivity, promote smooth traffic flow, and reduce downtime. Additionally, it comes with the Apex Smart Controller, an intelligent system that makes setting up and commissioning the grill easier than ever before. The digital readout takes an installer through a series of steps to set up the door and electronically set limits, reducing installation time. It also shows status and error messages, improving repair time. And it features plug-and-play attachments to the operator, further reducing electrical installation time and complexity. Our 300 Series Performance Grill provides the security needed to keep occupants safe, the reliability to keep building owners satisfied, and guarantees increased productivity at high-traffic openings. Extreme 300 Series Performance Grill from Cornell. High-cycle performance where you need it most.